Okay, so I've been pumped about this Volta right here from GoPro, and the reason why is because I do a lot of motor vlogging. I record a lot with the GoPro, and I think the quality is fantastic. And when I heard that you're gonna have a power bank right here and also a controller, to me it was like, okay, I had to have one. And in fact, I have one that I made myself. I'll put a link down below, which is kind of like an FY kind of thing. But I'm gonna kind of help you out in case you have this issue. Essentially, I got it, and no matter what I did, it wouldn't pair up. So again, maybe this is gonna help you out, maybe not, I don't know. But again, this is what I did, and it's working out for me. And again, hopefully it helps you out. So make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to know more videos, or if you want to see more videos like this where I talk about content creation and I share some tools and things like that. Okay, so here I got it, and essentially this is what I did. And again, I'm running the Volta here with the GoPro Hero 9 and the media mod. So the first thing I did was that I connected it, and no matter what I did, it wouldn't work. So I removed the media mod and I put it to the side, and I connected to this because essentially with the media mod, I believe that you could connect it via Bluetooth but not via wire. So what I did was that I removed the media mod and I connected via wire straight up to the GoPro. So what happened after I did that was that the camera said Volta. Actually, you saw it in the display, and it started to do an update. So I waited into the camera, updated, and when it was done to update it, I tried it out and it did work. But again, I wanted to make sure it worked with the media mod. So I connected the media mod back in here, and I connected the wire back again, and it wouldn't work. So what I did was that I took my cell phone and I make sure that I disconnected from the Bluetooth, the internet, all that, because apparently you can only connect one device to the control right here, right? So what I did was that I turned it on, and then what I did was that I went into the settings for Bluetooth. So you kind of scroll down, go to the left, click on connections, connect device, and then in here you're gonna see Volta, and then you click there and it's gonna connect. And after I did that, I'm gonna tell you it worked out very, very okay. So I'm just gonna show you right here so you can see how this worked. Essentially right now you can see it right there. Now it's lighting up and it's flashing, which I'm assuming is connecting. It did connect, and now I'm gonna press here, and now I'm actually recording, right? So that's really, really good. I'm gonna exchange through the different setting. Here I got picture right there. Now I can take a picture. You see the picture right there, saving. Obviously, I'm going to leave it on video because that's primarily what I do right there. Let me go back to video. And again, there it is. If I want to actually turn the camera off, I press here, and the camera is turning off. And as you can see, is charging as well. So again, if you're running the media mod and it's not connecting, like I said, and you just got the Volta, remove the case, remove the media mod, connect it straight out to the GoPro, and it's gonna do an update. Then put the media mod back in there, go to your connections and connect via Bluetooth. It worked for me. It was a pain in the butt, but I figured out. Hopefully it helps you out. Appreciate you guys watching.